Ezra naweza pata 3-bedroom apartment hapo Nakuru. Ndo hii hapa inside Dakota Place Apartments in Pipeline behind Pakawa Police Station hapa Nakuru. Wacha nikushow hii nyumba. Very well, ndo hiyo. That is the lounge and the kitchen on that end. Hii inaitwa American style kitchen. You know, it is a home that enhances conversation. Inallow watu wanapiga story wakipika. Okay, now one thing about this apartment ni kwamba they are well lit. Every room is well lit in this apartment. There is not a room that is dark. Everywhere is lit. Okay, now straight ahead, that is the common bathroom and toilet, of course with those sliding aluminum doors to keep the bathroom candle to prevent water from spilling into the toilet area. Sindio? Okay, so this is a guest bedroom. You know, bring your king size bed. Okay, leta ile kubwa kabisa. Hapa inatoshea vizuri. Angalia tena, massive window. Okay, there is not a single room that is dark here. Light all through. Okay, you see that? Exactly. And then we have them sliding windows like that. Alafu angalia views, like everywhere you go you're just having mesmerizing views. Na tuko hapa Pipeline Nakuru. Okay, haya hata switches zameni, angalia tu, you know, some high-end switches hapo. You know, aya, tukikuja hivi, this is the primary bedroom. You can call it a master bedroom as well. Even this one, leta bed yako ile kubwa. You know, the king size bed, the 6x6 bed, hapo pia inatosha. Now, there is one unique feature that is just, you know, custom to this apartment. Sijaona kwa apartments zingine zote, bus, that bathtub. You see? Just wonderful. And then of course kuna nini? Kuna angalia hapo the faucets hapo with a telephone shower. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Nakuru mzima sijaona apartment iko na bathtub. Kama iko mniambie, hizo apartment zote nishaifanya Nakuru, sijaona yenye iko na bathtub. So that one is just unique to this one. Another unique feature ni kwamba the primary bedroom wako na space yao hapa private. They have a private balcony. Wenye nyumba mkikaa pale mnapiga tu story. How wonderful is that? You know? So ni kuaguzia tu, but once everything is ready, like the cleaning is done in the entire apartment. Right now we are doing cleaning. Once it is done, I will do a tour of the entire apartment. I'll speak about the amenities. Maybe nikuguzie tu kwamba pale kwa taps kuna maji moto na baridi. Okay? So ukifungua tu tap unaweza tumia maji warm ama utumia maji baridi. Nikuguzie kwamba pia we have top notch security features here. Ukifika pale kwa gate we have CCTV cameras zinakuona kutoka pale mbali. Ukikuja you press, you ring, you know. I mean, we have top notch security features. I will explain more of that when I do, you know, the detailed video. But for this one nikuguzia tu. Remember ni 3 bedrooms. So the other bedroom iko hii pande hapa. Hii ni ya mfanyikazi. You know, kwa wale ambao wako na mfanyikazi, this one is for the mfanyikazi. Okay? This bedroom here. Even the wardrobe zake unaona, you know, ni kiasi yake tu, but still look, it is well lit. You know, that's just one thing with this apartment. There is not a single room here that is dark. Everywhere is light. Vile tu Mungu alisema, let there be light. That is what they brought into this apartment. So more to follow. Stay tuned. If you follow Ezra Ondara TV, more to follow from here at Dakota Place Apartments in Pipeline Nakuru. You know, even we have also ample parking kule chini. Tuko na borehole water, tuko na security guard kwa gate 24/7. There is more to talk, but for now ni kuwapatia tu hondo, ni kuwapatia tu kwamba we are now letting this apartment. You know, people can come and start booking, but stay tuned for a more detailed video which nitaweka pale kwa YouTube on Ezra Ondara TV. This one, This is quite outstanding. Haya. Oh, namba ya simu 0791055678. Nipigie tu hapo. In fact, today, the entire of today, as I'm speaking, I'm right here at this apartment. Kuja tu hapo utanipata. Thank you.